Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable Chrome Dark Mode in Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize various aspects of your browser experience. Now, once you're on the settings page, look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different options listed vertically. Find and click on Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks, including themes, fonts, and display options. After clicking Appearance, you'll see several customization options appear on the right side of the screen. Look for an option labeled Theme and click on it. This is where you can control Chrome's color scheme and overall visual style. Once you click on Theme, the theme settings will expand on the right side of your screen. Here you'll notice three different options available to you: Light, Dark, and Device. The Light option keeps everything bright and white. Dark inverts the colors for easier viewing in low light conditions, and Device automatically matches whatever theme your Windows system is using. Go ahead and click on Dark. As soon as you select it, you'll notice Chrome's interface immediately transforms to a dark theme with white text on dark backgrounds. This reduces eye strain and looks particularly sleek, especially when browsing at night. Now, there's actually a second way to enable dark mode that's even quicker. Look for an option labeled Mode in the Appearance settings, click on the drop-down menu next to it, and from there simply select Dark. This achieves the exact same result as the previous method, giving you that comfortable dark interface. And that's it. Your Chrome browser is now running in dark mode, making your browsing experience easier on the eyes and more visually appealing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.